Isn't this lovely? These are cicadas in our yard. They're flying everywhere. They're all over the trees. Here's one crawling up the tree. They're everywhere. In the grass. Oh, there's another one. Hi, Mary. We're looking at the cicadas. Oh, there's another one. And another one. They're everywhere. Oh, there's another one. They come out only like every 17 years for like 6 weeks. There's millions of them. They're everywhere. Flying all over the place. That noise is them. It's awful. I don't know if you guys get them in Virginia or not, or in Texas where you're at, but they're awful. Oh, there's one. There's one crawling in the grass. They're everywhere. All day long, all night, you hear this noise. And I guess they're supposed to be here for like 6 weeks. And then 17 years from now, they'll come out again. Let's go see if they can see some on the willow tree. Yeah. They're everywhere. Oh, here's one on the willow tree. They are everywhere. In some of the areas, there's 20 to 30 of them, if not more, in one spot. I don't see them in the grass. Is it on you? We're being invaded by cicadas. Look at this little tree here. I don't know if you can see it in the video. This little tree here is covered with them. Look at this tree. All up and down the trunk and the branches, all the way up to the top. They're everywhere. Anyways, people, these are the Ohio cicada invasion. Look at this tree. See them all crawling. All day, all night, all afternoon. We hear this noise. We get this noise, and it's supposed to last for like 6 weeks, I guess. Hi, Katie. We're being invaded by cicadas. You'll have to watch the rest of the video so you can see what I was talking about. Anyway, bye-bye, people. Watch the rest of the video.